Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit a photo with Gemini. So if you want to edit your photos with Google Gemini but don't know where to start, here I'm going to show you how you can make amazing edits in just a few clicks. So the first step, you can just open Gemini. You can open the app or webs like I do in here. And then you can just click on this plus button or the upload button and choose the photo that you want to edit. So for example, in here, so I've already choose a photo, and then you can just ask Gemini to edit it. You can, for example, ask them to remove the background or makes the color brighter or turn the photo into a certain style. So for example, I'm going to ask Gemini to turn the photo into a cartoon style. Okay, you can just hit on enter or click on the generate button. And now Gemini is still processing, and you can just wait for the final results. Okay, so here is the final result. So this photo is turning into a cartoon style within seconds. So if you want to edit the photo again or try different photo, you can just do the same steps. Click on the plus button, choose the photo, and ask Gemini to edit it as you wish. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can edit a photo with Gemini AI. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!